In this video, I will be showing you how to make news website on Google Sites. The first thing you want to do once on Google Sites, you can tap on blank site from the top navigation bar. After selecting blank site, from there you can start customizing your website. So right where you see your page title, you could type in the title for your website. So let's say, for example, I'm going to be calling mine General News. All I would need to do is simply type in General News right here. And then from there, you can customize its appearance. So right where you see Lato Light, you could tap right there and you could change the font style if you want to anything else. And you can also change the font size. And if it is a case that you'd like to add an image to the background of the header, you can tap right where you see image and you could choose to upload an image, or you could go over to the right hand menu option and right where you see the triangle and the square and circle, you could tap right there and you can change the background color as you can see right here. Now, after customizing the header section, you may be wondering how you would be able to create a news website. Well, there are actually two options. The first option is you could use RSS feed. And what do I mean by that? Well, you'll be able to take content from popular news websites, for example, dailymail.com and ESPN and other websites. All you'll need to do is open a new tab and go onto rss.app. And this is going to be the platform that we'll be using to create our RSS feed. Once on this platform, I want you to tap on sign up in the top right hand corner. And you can sign up using your email address. After you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, you're going to tap on create new feed. After selecting create new feed, you have a few options. You can either paste in the URL from one of these websites. For example, I could go onto Daily Mail, copy the URL, then go back into RSS feed and paste the URL right here. After I've pasted the URL, I could tap on generate. Then after you have done that, you can see right there that it has generated the RSS feed. After it has generated it, you can choose how to sort it, whether you like to sort it auto, date, or last added, or random. You can choose whichever option. After you have done that, you'll tap on save feed. Once you have tapped on save feed, you'll realize that you will be provided with the RSS feed URL. But what we're going to be doing, we're going to tap on widgets in the top left hand corner. After tapping on widgets, from there you can choose whether you'd like to use the news wall, the list, carousel, image board, ticker, magazine style, or feed. You can select whichever one of these options suits you. And I'm going to be selecting news wall. Then we are going to tap on add to website. After tapping on add to website, we are going to simply tap on the two boxes to copy it. Once you have copied it, you're going to go back into Google Sites, and I want you to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on pages. Then you're going to hover over the plus in the bottom right hand corner and you're going to select full page embed. Then from there you could give the page a name. So let's say, for example, I want to call this section the general news section. So I'm just going to type in general news. Then I'm going to tap on done. Then I'll tap on add embed and I'm going to select embed code and we're going to paste in the code right here. Then tap on next. After you have done that, you'll tap on insert and you can see how it looks right there. After you have done that, you could go back into the RSS app. After going back in the RSS app, from there we could tap on new feed from the left hand menu option. After tapping on new feed, you could paste in the ESPN code, for example. So we could paste in the ESPN URL better yet. So I'll copy it, go back here, and I'm going to paste it in. Then tap on generate. So let's do that real quick. And unfortunately, ESPN cannot be generated. So what we'll normally do is scroll down and from there you could search for something else. So let's say, for example, I would like to add the BBC News RSS feed. I could tap on that. Then from there, you can see the sports RSS feed. I can tap on try now. After doing that, you can select widgets. Then from there, you could customize how it appears. So let's say, for example, you want to use the carousel option, you could select that, or you could select the list option, as you can see right here. I'm going to be sticking with the news wall, and I'm going to tap on save feed. Once you have saved the feed, you're going to tap on add to website. Then you're going to simply copy the HTML code and go back into Google Sites. And once again, you're going to tap on pages in the top right hand corner. Then hover over the plus and you're going to select full page embed. Then we're going to be calling this sports. So I'll type in sports right there. Tap on done. Then tap on add embed, select embed code, and I'm going to paste in the embed code right there and tap on insert. Now that I've done that, you can see how it looks right here. After doing this, all I will need to do now, I'm going to tap on pages. After selecting pages, I'm going to be making the general news page the main home page. To do this, you can tap on the three dots in line with the page name, and you're going to tap on make home page. After doing that, you can also pull up the sports page, so I'll make it the second page. Then I'm going to be deleting the home page. So I'm going to tap on the home page and I'm going to tap on delete. Now, if we were to go onto my website, you can see how the general page looks, the home page, and you can see the sports page right there. Now, all I'll need to do is simply tap on publish. After tapping on publish, from there you can type in a name that you would like your website to get. So let's say, for example, I want to call it this. Then I'll tap on publish right here. After tapping on publish, you can see that it is now live. So if I were to tap on view, you can see how my news website looks. So you can see it right there. And this is how it looks. So if someone were to come onto it and tap on an article, they'll be redirected to that feed. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.